All right, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in today. I think it's the 5th of June, somewhere around there. It's a Friday or Saturday afternoon. We're heading out to the Poor Man's Canyon or beyond, looking for some bluefin. It's our first tuna trip of the year. So we're pretty excited. Been a lot of change this year. I'm working a new job, so I don't have time to spend out in the canyons during the weekdays. Not a lot of vacation at this point, so we're going to slug it out in the canyons with the rest of all the other boats on the weekends. With that being said, we're going to get an early start. I want to say it's about 5 o'clock right now. We'll head off around midnight and try to be one of the first boats out in the canyon in the morning. So,
all right. Any famous words of wisdom before we take off on the first trip?
Big eyes, roll it out.
What do you think, Craig?
What he said?
What he said?
Yeah.
Mike?
Happy to be here.
It's a new guy on the crew. New guy on the crew. Always good news.
New guys got to reel the fish.
That's right.
It's fine with me.
Oh,
Let's catch him.
I do have to plug the Wawa.
Oh, yeah.
So, today, first trip out for the year, we are packed with offshore specials from Wawa. That's my Wawa plug for the day.
All right, what time is it? It's 11:57. So we pushed off 3 minutes early. We were trying for midnight. Little dark out. Can you give me a little light up? There you go. So just heading out the canal. We've got about 45-minute run trying to go through the canals to get down to the Ocean City Inlet, and then with a little success, we'll point it out and head to our starting spot. Oh yeah. Nope. There it is. On the radio, someone just said that they caught a big eye, so that's a really good sign for us.
We're on right here. Yep, we're on. Yeah, this is Mike. Come on, bud. Yep. Probably a body. Or it could be our under bluefin. You got your belt on? I don't know if it's on anymore. You may have pulled it. No, it's still on. I think it's a mahi. Yeah.
All right, I was gonna say, just pick it up, put it in there, and then remember, level line back and forth as you're reeling.
Take your time with it. Take your time with it, Mike. You're clear. Can you take the wheel?
Yeah.
Wait, WWP's still back here. The way back. It's got to come in too. All right, got it. Got it? Yeah. Way back? Yep. Way back. Fine, you're gonna have to, someone up there's gonna have to do the way back. Okay. Chuck, can you grab the wheel way back? I'll get the wheel. Yep. Wow. Alright, I got it. There you go. Alright, I'll be right there with the guy. Yep, just don't stop. Keep pressure on him right there. Yep. Don't let him take no more. Don't reel anymore. Don't let him take no more. Got the rod tip up. Got it. And then you're going to walk up this way. Mike, walk back here. Walk back towards me. Craig's going to come in front of you. And then you're going to reel. I'm coming out of gear. Alright, we're out of gear. Ryan, spin the boat. Someone spin the boat. Got it. Chuck, spin it. There you go. There's a bot. Oh, yeah. All right. Got it. Yep. No bluefin. All right, walk front. Oops, sorry, got the line.
Nice. Hey, Mike, there you go.
First tuna, bud. First tuna ever. Thanks.
That's your first tuna ever?
Ever.
Oh, get a picture. Hold him up while he's nice and colored. Come back here to the back if you don't mind.
Someone grab a phone off the dash.
Hold it up nice and high. That's my phone. Say cheese. Look at me. Say cheese. All right, now let me. Here, I'll get. Craig, you can get a
Watch
picture.
that line that's out, bud.
Yeah, we're good.
You want to get the picture? Yeah. Here you go. Oh, wrong. There you go.
We had a little clusterfuck going on with our long line. Have you guys had any more bites or?
There you go.
WWP's still back there.
The way back is gonna come in too.
All right, got it.
You got it? Good.
Way back?
Yep. Way back's gonna.
Getting close.
Alright, I'll be right there with the gas.
Yep. Just don't stop. Keep pressure on him right there.
Yep. Don't let him take no more. Don't reel anymore. Don't let him take no more. Got the rod tip up. Got it.
And then you're gonna walk up this way. Mike, walk back here. Walk back towards me. Craig's gonna come in front of you. And then you're gonna reel. I'm coming out of gear. All right, we're out of gear.
Brian, spin the boat. Someone spin the boat.
Yeah. That's spent. There you go.
Yep.
Oh yeah. All right. You got it.
Yep. Little bluefin.
Little bluefin.
All right, walk front.
Oops, sorry, got the line.
Nice.
Thank you.
That's your first tuna ever?
Ever.
Well, get a picture. Hold him up while he's
just all
nice and colored. Come back here to the back.
Grab someone grab a phone off the dash.
I might have it.
You got
Hold it
it?
up nice and high. That's my phone. Say cheese. Look at me.
Got a reel.
Say
Cheese.
All right. Hooked up again. This is our second time in an hour. We got Mike on the reel. Craig on the gaff.
Real action.
Captain Chuck over here at the wheel.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, let him go. This is a good fish. Yeah. Yeah, this might be our over.
Do you want to get that reel out of the back in case he goes to that side? Bring the reel up so the back's clear for landing. Nice job. Circling around. Looks like you've done this before. Can't see color yet, but keep going, fast. Don't give it any slack. You see okay, Chuck?
Yeah.
He's gonna get ahead of you.
Alright, hold on.
Keep going.
He's starting to fight a little bit.
Alright, yeah, if he's pulling, let him go. It's okay.
Are we out of gear? No.
Yeah. But yeah, take it out.
Yeah, because
I see color.
he needs to stay in gear.
Alright, oh, it's a bigger one.
That might be yellow.
I know. Not that much bigger, but it's a good fish. It's a tuna.
Here you go, Brian.
There it is. Beautiful bluefin. Beautiful bluefin. Nice job, Mike. There you go. You limited out and your first time out.
Within mere half hour.
Yeah, once Brian started drinking again, we were able to catch a fish.
There you go. Never underestimate the power of a Miller Lite.
All right, so June 6th, Sunday, 3 to 4 footers. We hit multiple canyons. So we were in the Poor Man's, Washington, and feels like everywhere in between. Very slow morning. How many hours did we go without having any knockdown?
Until 11:15.
So hours and hours and hours with nothing. And then within 30 minutes, we got our 2 tuna, our 2 unders. So pretty good. You know, all things considered, we heard some reports on the radio about some big eyes being called, although we didn't find them. And it's now about 1:40. We're gonna pack up the boat and head for the barn. We'll catch you next time.
Chuck, why don't you tell us what would go great with that bluefin tuna?
You know, there's nothing in this world as tasty as a bluefin tuna. But I'll tell you what comes really close. A Wawa offshore special. Make sure to ask for it by name and a Wawa near you.
Can you refresh all of our viewers on what exactly comprises a Wawa offshore special?
An offshore special is a large Italian on a classic roll. No tomatoes, onions, lettuce, pickles, peppers if you like, but no tomatoes. That's the key.
Why
Offshore special.